Hi guys, today is the day for a new site. The domain is the wardrobe code, and I found it on Spamzilla again. Even though it's tagged as spam, because sometimes Spamzilla's automated system usually tags handbag or stuff like Gucci or Prada as spam, and I don't blame them, but you should check out the history sometimes. I'm not really sure if it will work, but the domain is not bad. It has DA of 24. Some of these links are live, like cbsnews.com, sheknows.com, paperblogs. Not that powerful, but it's fine. So we already know what our author name and the phone number should be. So I'll simply store it somewhere. We'll use this information in our about us or contact us pages. Alright, now let's get started. So the domain is hosted on Easy Blog Networks and I love it. Coming to the articles, we need to first know what the title should be, right? It's related to fashion. Now, you can go to Ahrefs or SEMrush and find easy to rank keywords in that niche, but everyone is doing that, right? So you need to be creative in a way, right? So what I did was I went to Wikipedia and I found all these colors that exist. So suppose if anyone searches for like what goes with antique ruby or what color should we wear when it's an antique ruby colored shirt or a jeans or something pants, right? So I imagine not everyone would know this color. Even I didn't till until now. What we can do is we can basically get all these color names and we can create titles like what color should go with Amazon shirt or Alice blue color. It's weird, right? But then it adds to your topical authority in a way because you're basically covering all these keywords that can be. I'm just going to quickly grab all these colors and then we'll create article titles. So this is how I do it. There is this plugin called Scrape Similar in which you can select an element to get data from the entire table. It also works with links, but if it doesn't, you can always go for something else. Now this is 890 different colors. So what I'll do is what goes with arrow color shirt, what goes with African violet color shirt. So this particular article might rank for violet color as well, so you might own multiple sub positions if the keyword is very easy. So this is first variation. I'll simply add question mark at the end. I'll simply set up the WordPress auto post and see if it works. So a test article has been pushed. Okay, this worked. Also, we can test like the color codes, right? I'll simply put it as shirt and we'll send 5 articles and we will publish them. Let's go. So this is shirts. We'll do one for pants. I've added multiple AI images here because I think they should work well. But if not, we'll see. Pants and generate articles. I've installed the theme. Now the images looks like it's colorful now and it looks nice. And yeah, we have 4 articles for now. More should be coming in soon. And yeah, it's the images are quite nice. And what do you guys think about the new update? Please do comment below. Like, do you think my sites are sustainable in a way, or how do you like the content? Have you been to the sites? Yeah, so what are the best colors to wear with arrow color? We have this list: white, black, gray, navy blue, blush pink, olive. It's quite nice, right? So yes, I think we are good to go now, and I'll simply publish all the articles. So here we go. And this time I'll split my screen into two so that it's faster to copy paste the titles like this. And shirt color, we'll just do shirts now. And I'm adding it to draft so that I can remove any duplicate posts if it fails or something, because these are multiple AI images, right? So a lot of things goes in the backend, like all the images are automatically published to your WordPress site, so there is a lot of processing and sometimes the server isn't able to handle all these load. Also, I think to save some cost, I can simply use just the featured images because one image is fine in this. So why bombard the server with so many requests, right? And also increase your cost. And since your AI generated images, one featured image is good enough. Shirts are done. Now we're moving to pants. By the way, I think we should move the articles to draft just to not trigger Google in the near future. I'll add drip feeding to the articles. So maybe I'll publish a couple hundred now, but for the next 1,000 articles or so, I can simply drip feed the articles like 3 or 4 articles every day so that it's somehow safe from the spam update. I'm yet to get hit, so it will be something new for me. Let's see. No manual penalty for so far for me, but Julian, yes. And it's so crazy. It doesn't make sense in a way because they're going after these site owners who have used such tools to generate some articles, right? But why not simply ban ChatGPT? Like, why don't you go cash the suppliers and why are you punishing the consumers? Like, ban your own Gemini. That's auto generated content as well, right? Now they have taken this stance, but I'm not really sure if they will be able to protect that stance because AI detectability is a joke. All right, all done with this site as well. Now let me just refresh this and see if there are any more posts. And by the way, guys, we have collaborated with Otis, the premium domain supplier, and yeah, it's great. Like he saw my post on Facebook. We are building case studies now with autoblogging content on expired and aged domains. Those domains are really powerful. I handpicked a couple of domains and I sent it to them. These are the ones that I want. And yeah, it's going to be crazy because the next couple of sites it will be on Odysseus domains. And I'm very much excited to see what AI content can do with those domains because a lot of guys are very scared to experiment AI on such high priced domains or ones that you buy from auctions, but I have a very good feeling like it's going to be great. What are your thoughts about the new updates? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. And yeah, see you tomorrow.